Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to add internal and external links to your digital publication. So what you have to do first is hit the plus icon over here and go to your media manager. Now a bunch of these links can already be seen here. So the software detects and places a link for emails and websites automatically. What we're going to do is hit edit over here and we get taken to this thing. Now you can select which page you want to go to. This is our cover. And this is our table of contents. What we're going to do here today is just link this up. So that takes you to the introduction/background page. So let's call this intro. Make it an internal link. And since this says page number 2, it's page number 3 in the PDF itself. So we're going to hit 3 and save that. Okay. You could do the same for something down here. Let's call this internal link. Page number 10 should work. And hit save. Now if we refresh our publication here, you see that it's now hyperlinked. Click this, we get taken to page number 10 and 11. And that's how you add internal links. Now, external links are also done in a similar way. Just drag and drop. Let's call this an X link, be an external link, and you can just paste a URL right there. And there you go. That's how you add internal and external links to your publication. Thanks for watching.